right, well, the big news today, of course, the stock market. Wow.
The big crash yesterday.
I got a little scared.
Why?
They went special report on us yesterday.
Did they?
Little special report, and then it was about the stock market. I'm like, oh, all right. With all the crap going on in the world these days,
Yeah.
I was like, oh, all right, I can handle this special report.
What
This
the
is an
hell's
easy
going
one.
on? Yeah, it was, I guess, China had a little problem early on, and their market crashed, and then ours, for some reason, has to crash because theirs did. They're like, oh, what? China went down? Well, then we got to.
Yeah.
And it went down like over 500 points, and then they came back a little bit at the end and closed out at 4 and change, but it was the biggest drop in 5 years since 9/11.
That's a good sign.
Boardroom Jimmy!
Well, thank God.
The bigger the plunge, the better it is for investors.
Really?
Yes. The Asian market crashed because of the giant condom overload that nobody's using.
What?
I never knew.
Yes, buy sugars and cubic zirconia. That's the way for this whole thing to turn around. I specifically said, stop with those cow noises. I don't know what they mean.
That's a bullish.
That's a bull.
That
You
means
should
you're
know
feeling
that.
bullish. You're
Oh.
bullish on the market.
Yeah.
Stupid dinks have done it again.
But where's the bear? Because that's the bad one. That we need a growl. The market's doggish.
Well, it is.
Jimmy,
Sell short, gentlemen. Sell short.
Sell short?
Yes, sell short.
Wait a minute. How do you... Is that
Can you
possible?
sell short in this market? Is it good after a crash like this to sell short?
Well, there's going to be a penalty bid, but if you sell short,
Penalty
things are
bid.
sure to turn around sooner or later. The Dow Jones, it was up yesterday a little bit.
No. Boardroom Jimmy was way down.
Not compared with 1927, it wasn't. It was up.
Oh, you're looking at the big picture.
Yes, you have to look over a 100-year span.
Now, I got to ask you, in this shows a little volatility here in the market. Where should we be looking today? When that market opens, what do you suggest we do?
Get tangible fish assets and then do what you're supposed to be doing with them, but don't allow the crash to deter you from purchasing sugar.
Sugar?
Yes, sugar!
And tangible fish assets?
Sugar and no, fish oils.
Oh.
Fish oils are the future.
Fish oils. Okay, you heard it here, people. Sugar and fish oils are what you should be looking into buying.
Yes, it was a stock market correction. That was happening yesterday. The stock market needed to be corrected, so it plunged a little bit in a 3-minute span, but that's a sign of healthy growth.
3 minutes. Healthy growth?
Healthy growth. Sometimes you need to lose $600 billion to make $40. I've specifically said that.
Now, Boardroom Jimmy, the market's going to open. Do you see a sustained gain throughout the day, or is this crash going to continue and bring us further into the hole by the time the market closes?
You raise an interesting point, and I think that I can agree with it.
That wasn't a point. It was a question.
Excellent point that there was something that happened yesterday, and yet it could go on the rise a little bit later, but it all depends on what's happening overseas with the Japs.
The Japs?
Yes.
It was the Chinese.
Oh, it was the Koreans, whatever it was. Their eyes weren't round. Thanks for nothing.
Now, knowing that on the whole, the market will recover from this, should I be thinking about maybe buying some options? Some call options, perhaps.
Get a couple of puts. I've told you many times when the market crashes that you should take all of your money and put it into the market. That's the best time to get in.
That's the definition of a put.
Oh, a put is when you put the money in the market.
Yes, put it down and then walk away and let it grow for you.
So how much do you think I should put in the market?
$75 to start. You don't want to get too crazy. I mean, kick back on Easy Street and enjoy a stogie.